Hey guys, in this video I'm unboxing the Profoto A1. This is a really nice speed light for on top of your camera, but also it can be remote triggered, and it is also a remote on itself. So here on the side we actually see what's included. So here we can see the A1 Air TTL, a lithium battery, a dome diffuser, a bounce card, wide angle lens, flash stand, A1 bag, and a battery charger. Let's open this up. And here we go. See, upside down here. Here it says, "Congratulations, there's big things ahead." The A1 might be the smallest flash we've ever made, but like every Profoto product, it contains 50 years worth of light shaping experience and expertise. So in your hands you have the tool that has been built with the purpose of helping you use and shape light to create truly memorable images. Welcome to the Profoto family. So here we have a nice bag around it, and here if we turn on the back, here we have the stand for it. So this is a nice stand you can put the flash on and place it on a table, or also on the bottom we have a 1/4 inch screw hole, so we can actually mount it on top of a stand or on a tripod. When we open it up, we can actually see the Profoto A1, and it's really nice. We can see the LED here, or actually the LED here. So this actually works as also a modeling light, or if you do video you can actually also use this for as a video light. And here we can see this side. Here we have the TTL button and the manual button, and this is the battery. In here we have the dome, and here we have the dome and the wide angle lens, and it's a magnet method of how it's attached, so you can actually quickly put it on top of your flash. So no fussing about, just quickly put on top of your flash or A1. And here, opening here, we have the charger. It's a nice small charger. And here we have another box. And here we have a lot of things in here, with a small bag, with a bounce card, and also the holder of the bounce card. Also have like a strap for the bag, and we have here a USB cable which we can actually update the Profoto A1 with. So this has a firmware that we can update, unlike a lot of the older flashes which doesn't have that. This makes it possible to make it more compatible with newer cameras, or if there are any special features coming out. And here we have the cable for the charger, and we have a user guide, safety instruction, warranty, and of course probably be also the manual inside. And that was mainly it, what is inside of the box. So that is what is all inside of the Profoto A1. So that was unboxing the Profoto A1. It's a really nice compact studio light that you can bring everywhere, and we're going to test this out the upcoming days with testing it with the B2, and also trying to trigger it with like their air triggers. And yeah, that was mainly it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and also check out my other videos on this channel. And if you have any questions, please comment below, or if you have anything else you want to learn and you want to see on my channel, please comment and ask me a question, and I'll hope to see you the next time. Bye bye.